Hey, hey, hey. We all have those songs that make us want to get turned, want to be a stripper, just put us in a good mood. I want to be dancing all like. For me right now, Cardi B and YG She Bad, that is my shit. Like when I hear hold up, gotta get ready, throw that leg up and start ha. But for me, I mean, that's it too. But we all know once you hear doom, 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 you start running to the dance floor. Like y'all been seeing them memes out there that had that guy he in the interview and they got the dude all back that ass up playing background and he running like that's dead ass me whenever I'm out in the club and I'm walking out here I'm like bitch I'm not going to the bathroom no more, like I gotta go. Another song for me that makes me just want to be like hold on, let me get on that stripper pole is Beyonce's No Angel. I know it's like real slow but when I hear it I'm like hold up, hey, listen, get that shmoney. It's just so many songs that put me in the mood, like I said. And I know, like, everybody has that song. Like, listen, put the song down below that makes you cut up. Because, like I said, right now, Cardi and YG, She Bad, that's what gets me. But, guys, thank you for watching. And if you like what you see and you like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Hold up. Until next time.
Mama need some real money. Powder bag and hill money. See my ex, he still with me. You a nigga gon' kill for me. All my chains got diamonds in it. My guns got diamonds in it. Damn, daddy, you fine as hell. I hope you